Off here. There we go. You guys, I'm back. I'm at my Nana's house. My papa got a new computer. We still haven't got the four-wheeler fixed. I'm getting new tires for it. We're going up to the building to do some cold starts on the lawnmower. So, I don't know what to do. Hopefully an ad doesn't pop up and then it'll stop my video. But hopefully it doesn't happen. I'm going back here. If you were wondering about this green mower, we've got, let me show you, we have got a thing for it that'll fit. The reason why this wouldn't fit is, I don't know, it seemed fine, but I don't know, but we didn't have a screw for it. We had these things, the flip things, and then that wouldn't fit, so we just got a new. I found that one at my house, so